Hey everyone, this is Rich from the Rich Maxwell channel. Welcome back. If you're new, the channel here is about drones and photography, so please consider subscribing if you're into those two things. This video talking about my upcoming trip to Iceland. So I haven't posted much up recently because I've been really unwell with flu, so that's meant I've had to miss a couple of uploads, but usually uploading every Saturday and Wednesday, so please consider subscribing for my future videos. Anyway, next week on Wednesday I'm off to Iceland, so super excited for this trip. I'm going to be going for 4 nights and hoping to see some amazing sights and scenery in Iceland, and thought I'd just put this little video together just to share the gear really that I'm taking with me to Iceland, and yeah, just go over what I'm going to pack and what I'm going to leave behind, as it's tempting just to sort of take every bit of camera equipment and drone equipment that I own, but conscious that I don't want to carry everything around and I don't want to take things that I'm not going to use. Just going to talk through a few bits and pieces in my camera bag that I'm going to take to Iceland with me. And if you're interested in seeing the sort of video footage and results that I get in Iceland, please do subscribe. Going to have loads of videos about Iceland on here after my trip, so hoping to capture as much footage as possible across my drone, my DJI Osmo Pocket, my A6300, and get some great photos with my A7ii II as well. So yeah, so we'll start off then with talking through my camera bag and what's in it for my trip. So here's the bag, the Lowepro Aw450II Pro Tactic II. So let's get into it then. So obviously taking cameras with me. So I've got my A7 Mark II here with the Tamron 28 to 75mm lens. So that's going to be my primary photo camera. And then the A6300, which I'm filming this video with, will be the camera that I use for my video clips. And for the A6300, gonna take my gimbal so that I can get some buttery smooth footage and yeah, get some really nice shots in 4K with it. It's all nice and stabilized, nice and fluidic. So that should look really cool in my videos. Next, what I'm gonna take is a drone. My MAvic Air, so that's going to come with me for sure. Hopefully going to get some decent weather for flying the MAvic Air, as it is the winter time in Iceland, so conscious it might be snowing, could be windy and things, but fingers crossed there'll hopefully be some breaks where I can get the MAvic Air up in the air and get some cool drone shots. So that's in my camera bag and all the other bits that go with it in that compartment there. So for the A7 II, I'm going to take 2 other lenses. I'm going to leave behind my 85mm Viltrox, because that's quite heavy and I don't think I'm going to need it really. It's more of a portrait lens. Going to take a wide angle lens, so this is a Canon 17 to 40mm f4, and I use this with an adapter, so that's on there. That's the adapter to put it onto my Sony E-mount cameras. So taking that one as my wide angle lens, and I think I will take my 70 to 200mm Sigma Canon lens, and obviously with that adapter I can use that as well. So I was tempted to leave behind the 70 to 200 because it's quite a weighty lens, but I think I'm just going to take it in case there is anything where I really want to sort of punch in on and get close up to, so it could be useful. So taking that, and there's various little bits that I've got to take from my cameras, obviously memory cards, and got the cleaning bits for the sensor and lenses, so that's all important stuff to take. And gonna take my filter bag or pouch there. We've got loads of filters, loads of those Kokin type filters, and step up, step down rings, so I can use them on all of my cameras. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna take a strap for my camera so I can lug it around easily, and when I'm in Reykjavik, get some nice street photos with it across my shoulder, easy to access. And yeah, so those are the main bits then. I've got the flash and bits for my flash there. I'm not sure I'll take that actually. I might leave the flash at home, as I don't think I'm going to need to do any flash photography out there. But yeah, that's the primary stuff then that I'm going to take in the camera bag. And I'm going to take obviously my A6300, which is filming this video. I'm going to take my tripod, which the A6300 is on for this video. I'm going to take my Rode mic, so my Rode Video Mic Pro, which is up here. And that's going to get me some nice audio for any vlogging out there in Iceland. And yeah, I think I'll be all set then. I'm going to take my laptop as well, but that's going to go in another backpack, which my wife is going to carry as her hand luggage. and yeah, all set. There's a couple of bits that I've ordered, like a dead cat for the Rode mic, and I've also ordered a waterproof cover for my cameras, so that if it's really bad weather and it's snowing loads, I can still get the camera out and get some shots. So those are handy little bits to have. On the trip, I'm hoping to get a lot of different types of shots in terms of video shots. I want to get some drone things, as I said, some gimbal shots, and yeah, just some really nice cool handheld footage, probably in the city in Reykjavik. And also going to be doing a bit of photography, get some nice photos with my A7 Mark II, some nice landscapes, of course, as obviously that's what Iceland is known for. So going to get some nice waterfall shots, nice glacier shots, and shots of the black sand beaches and the beautiful cliffs and just everything really. So hopefully it's going to be a really nice trip. We've hired a car so we can get out and about and really see the sights of Iceland, and yeah, get some great footage for you guys. Going to share it on the channel, so I hope you'll find it all interesting, and yeah, watch out for more videos. So this is just a quick video. As I say, I've been ill the last week or so, so I haven't managed to put any content up on my channel, but usually have 2 videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So think about subscribing and joining me for more content in future. Thanks again everyone for watching, and hope you all have a great day. Bye for now.